You can now request an Uber directly from Google Maps. So we'll go to the search, we'll enter MSP Terminal 1 Concourse. In the bottom right hand corner of the screen, you'll select the drive icon. Then at the top of the screen, you'll slide over to the hail icon, and you can request it right from there in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. In order to request, you do have to connect your Google and Uber accounts. You can also toggle over to Lyft. You can't request a ride directly from Google Maps, but you can open the Lyft app.